Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Jason Shom. I'm the Associate Dean and Professor from the Walker College of Business at Appalachian State University. We are one of the University of North Carolina system schools. I'm very excited to host the project AI Venture Lab, predicting the next billion-dollar startup. In this program, you will explore how venture capital investors evaluate startups and how artificial intelligence can help identify companies with the potential for high growth. Using real-world startup datasets, you will analyze funding patterns, market signals, and founder characteristics to better understand what drives startup success. You will also learn how to conduct exploratory data analysis and build predictive AI models such as logistic regression and decision trees, and interpret the result from an investor's perspective. By the end of the program, you will present your findings and develop a startup success prediction framework, gaining hands-on experiences in data science, entrepreneurship, and AI-driven decision making. I look forward to working with you this summer.